In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can stop uploading photos to Google Photos. Now before we start, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's start. So the first thing you'll want to do to stop uploading your photos to Google Photo is open Google Photos. Now after you've done that, just tap on the icon that is on the top right, your user icon, and scroll down. Now there you will see Google Photos setting. Tap on Google Photos setting and there you will see backup option. Now navigate to backup option, and after you do that, you'll see the backup option. Just toggle that button off, and after you do that, your photos will stop getting uploaded to Google Photos. And it's that simple, guys. I hope you guys understood and found this video helpful. If you did, leave a like down below and also check out more of our videos on our channel. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.